What's up, guys? Artilla Boy here. Today we're doing another video. Today we're taking a look at the Anvil pocket clip pocket knife. Let's begin. As you could probably know for this one this is another really weird shape of all things. Well, this is kind of much more for like a pocket wallet or a pocket clip. Basically just to put money on it, so that's basically what's mostly for what's well known for. You got like a knife that's basically, it's a little sharp. This one's have oh yeah, these are basically made of stainless steel, and this because right here said stainless, and the other one is says anvil. It is really tiny. I mean, it's really tiny as well. Anvil Province, Province USA, or Prov USA. Here is the file and a finger cleaner, and basically the scale itself is made of, I think, gold or brass, with this circle cut through and then cut in halves too. And basically a piece of brass in here. So the size on this guy is around about of 2 inch with the handle and while it's closed. Meanwhile, for the small blade itself, it'd be around about of 1.5 inch. Meanwhile, for the overall size, it'd be around about of 3.5 inch. Meanwhile, for the file and the finger cleaner, it'd be around about of, again, 1.5 inch. Meanwhile, for the overall size, it'd be around about of 3.5 inches. So let's test this bad boy out. So the results out there is a little disappointing. I mean, that's yeah, you could probably, I think it's because I must have haven't sharpened at all. I think it's when I, yeah, you could probably know it's, yeah, it's really didn't strike through anything. Like that's how strong the strikes were. Like it's just basically seeing just left marks, not really, cutting wise of all things. So you could probably see from here. See how, I think it is pretty sharp of all things, but it's not really much of, I think what I need to do is have it sharpened. Oh, jeez. Oh, yeah, it is sharp of all things, but it's just probably need have it need to be oiled or something. So you could probably, so that's probably my best recommendations for that, is just have it sharpened, and it'll be maybe a little better. So I'm giving the Anvil pocket wallet pocket knife an astounding of a 6 out of 10. It's a not bad knife, but probably needs some improvements on that one. So that wraps up of the Anvil pocket clip pocket knife. I'm Artilla Boy, and I'm signing out. I'll see you guys next time.